Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens. We are in store with some hot deals. Lots of paper has been tagged in store. We're going to talk about some of the pricing and what to look for, and is it a good deal, yes or no? And I know a lot of you like to stock up on paper. Also this morning, which is Wednesday the 11th, lots of boosters in your account. Always a year mileage may vary what you might receive and might not receive. You might get more than I or less. I don't know. But I think a lot of these, like the 10 back when you buy 40 on a late, most of us should have identical ones. Go and load all of them. And so you're ready for next week. And then come back to the video and like this video, of course. But there's a whole host of them, so I think it's going to be another terrific week over at Walgreens. But I know a lot of you are here for the clearance, so let's get right into these clearance items. Clearance is always a year mileage may vary as well. And what that means is that Michigan and Texas might be identical, but Michigan and New Hampshire might be a week apart. So it's always great to go in store and see what they have. And sometimes online and in store are identical, and sometimes it's not. So if you have a couple of minutes to moonwalk down the clearance aisle or the paper aisle where all this stuff should be tagged, it might be worth your time. And a lot of these are only like 50% off, but a lot of this is also BOGO 50, or it's part of that weird spend 30, get back 7. These would be great little items to throw in, and I know a lot of you really like Puffs and the Kleenex brand of facial tissues. So, I mean, perfect with cold and flu season to have these items at this price point. And another one I found was this, $14.99. But the sales price for this item is $12.99 this week. I just looked it up, so I don't fully understand this. But lots of Angel Soft on clearance, so be mindful of a sales price to a clearance price, because the sales price is so much better than this. I'm going to let you guys know the two types of cottonelle that they have in these 4 mega packs. 4 equals 16. Cleared out of this store. All I saw left was an empty shelf and the tags. But we have $3.79 for the blue one. You know what? For this price point, I probably would have grabbed a couple as well. I really do like cottonelle. Charmin obviously is top, but cottonelle isn't bad either. And then this little one, I don't know why it's 20 cents more, but it's $3.99, so you get it like $1 off. And these are items like walk down that paper aisle and see what they might have. I know that this is a thing that a lot of us really like. Also in the store, depending what clearance cycle your store's at, we have the Axe. These are sprays, and at 50% off, it's $3.79. We currently have a 6 off a 2, and for both of these scents, the coupon is attaching, because I did grab 2 Apollo on my card and then 2 Phoenix on my husband's card, and it worked beautifully. This is the coupon that you're going to load, the 6 off a 2. And remember, manufacturers are of a one-time use, just in case you're wondering. And then just to show you the receipt, 2 of these on clearance for $7.58, subtracting that 6 off a 2. It's $1.58 for the 2, or 79 cents per spray, which is a like 90% off price point. And the cost of deodorant specifically, this is one item, it's really jumped in price. I don't know why, but it has, and it's just like one of these things. So when they're clearancing this out, even though like what the heck are you doing with the men's Axe, a lot of family members would probably love to have these, and even though is Axe for younger men, I don't know. But I'm happy to have them. So we have both the men's, or the Apollo, and the Phoenix. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster as well. And these are newer ones too, from my understanding. So stock up, why not? Next deal is really fantastic. This week, the Persil detergent is $5.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, so that would drop it down to $3.99. Over on IBOTTA, if you submit the receipt under the store, any grocery store, you will get back $1.50. So it's going to make this $2.49, which is a really great price point. And I checked this morning, that Persil rebate is still there. So if you want to give this a try and you're kind of an advanced IBOTTA shopper, by all means go for it. You wouldn't submit it under Walgreens, you'd submit it under any grocery store, and it will work. It worked earlier this week for me, so go and make it happen. While you're in the store too, lots of frozen food is on clearance, and lots of these razors. I don't think this line was terribly popular with shoppers, and a lot of it is on clearance, 75% off. So you might want to walk down that aisle and see what they might have. And then also, a lot of cleaners are on clearance as well. As this is a real meat and potatoes item for extreme couponers, lots of stores are already cleared, but there might be that lemon pledge left for you. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.